Time for our Political Insiders segment. James Tully here in for Rob Hanran alongside Tanya Foster and now alongside Charlie Giroux, Tony May. Gentlemen?
Here.
Good.
Here.
Good.
Thanks
Good to
for
have
being
you
here.
Yes. Sounds like, we'll start out, sounds like Tom Corbett may not just be battling Tom Wolf coming up in November.
That's right. We have the emergence of a billionaire out of California who says he wants climate change front and center as we get into the next elections, promising a lot of money for media campaigns. And one specifically he mentioned was the governor's race in Pennsylvania. Charlie, let's start with you.
Tom Steyer, a San Francisco ultra-liberal. I mean, this guy is to the far left of the Democratic Party, promising to spend over $100 million in this campaign cycle to elect the most liberal Democrats he can find. He's trolling around. Apparently he's discovered one, Tom Wolf, here in Pennsylvania. But basically, the Steyer agenda is this: kill jobs, kill the economy, kill any chance for tax revenue in Pennsylvania. It's the war on coal. It's the war on natural gas. He's against fossil fuels. If that's the agenda that Tom Wolf wants, Pennsylvanians beware.
Is that what it is, Tony?
Well, obviously it's not, because Tom Wolf wants the gas industry because he needs to tax the gas industry. So you can't have both. You can't have it both ways, Charlie.
But he'll take his money.
Charlie, you know how independent expenditures work. Candidates have no control over that money.
They do.
It would be illegal otherwise.
He can say, I don't want your money, I reject your notions.
Okay, so what is your candidate going to do when the Koch brothers hand up?
Well, let's see if they do. Let's see if they do, Tony. There's no indication that they're going to do that.
Well, you don't think that
Steyer
Steyer is inviting competition? This is going to, what we're predicting here is a big spending race with out-of-state money. Don't you think that's going to be
There will be money from out of state, yes. Right, but the question is, what kind of money? This person,
both kinds of money are bad.
This person, Tom Steyer, represents the most radical liberal
the
elements.
Koch brothers, who represent the most radical conservative.
You've been whining about the Koch brothers for a long time, Tony. I'm surprised, in fact, I'm shocked that you're not whining equally about Tom Steyer for the same reasons that you complain about the Koch brothers.
What I'm saying is, because we need to tax the industry.
He's not going to be welcome here, but you can bet your sweet bippy that Tom Wolf is going to take his money.
Now, and it does say in this article that I read in the New York Times,
yeah, go ahead.
It says today that Steyer will back any candidate who openly embraces climate change policies. Do you think Tom Wolf is going to do this?
Well, climate change is another thing entirely.
That's exactly what he's going to put that $100 million towards.
Is natural gas reduces the amount of CO2 that goes into the atmosphere.
Tony, Mr. Steyer, basically wants to shut down the coal industry. Do you think that would be good for Pennsylvania?
No, I don't think we need to shut down the coal industry. We need to fund research to bring carbon capture in a practical way.
That's not the Steyer agenda. Let's be very clear.
He's not offering me any money.
And you wonder what someone with a net worth as high as Tom Steyer can do here in Pennsylvania from San Francisco. I mean,
who, by the way, made a lot of his money in coal, natural gas, and other fossil fuels.
Interesting. I didn't read that in the article.
That's some irony.
I agree with that. That's a fact. Yes.
It is a fact.
Yes, sure.
Well, there you go. All right. Well, we are out of time. A very healthy debate today
very
here on
spirited
CBS 21 News. You can see our Political Insiders every Tuesday right here on CBS 21 News at 5:30. Yeah.